Alright guys, so in this video, we're going to learn about functions. And this is basically the introduction to functions. There aren't really functions in this lesson, but I'm going to teach you about the terms associated with functions. So first we have domain. So if you guys know, domain are all the possible x values. Also, all the values that could be plugged into the function. So for example, if f of x is equal to square root of x, state the domain of f of x. So what are the values of x that can be plugged into this function that make it true? Or like have real answers. So basically, as you guys know, a square root of a negative number is not an answer, right? So everything has to be 0 or greater. Has to be 0 or greater, right? So basically, state the domain. The domain has to be greater than 0. So x has to be greater than or equal to 0. Because if you square root of 0 is also equal to 0. So this is going to be your answer for this question. Alright guys, so let's continue on to range. So what is range? It's basically all the possible y values or all the values that could be a possible answer of f of x. So for example, f of x is equal to the absolute value of x. So state the range of f of x. So what are the only possible answers to this? So if you guys know absolute value, it has to be equal to 0 or it has to be equal to a positive integer, right? This is a positive, like it's a plus sign to represent a positive number. So as you guys know, it has to be 0 or positive. So it means the range is going to have to be 0. So x is going to be greater than or equal to 0. So that is going to be a range for this equation. And next we have degree, which isn't a term that you hear a lot, but it is a term you might need to know. So the degree is the highest exponent in the polynomial. So what does that mean? It means that you have to find the highest. So for example, if f of x is equal to x squared plus 1, what is the highest degree? Highest degree is 2, as 2 is the highest exponent or largest exponent in this case. So let's look at this example right here. So state the degree of f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus x to the third plus x to the fourth. So as I just explained, the degree is the highest exponent. So what is the largest exponent? It's 4. So that means the degree measure is 4. So that's how you're going to do this question if asked. And next we have the root, which is the y value when x is equal to 0. If you guys know quadratics, you just have to find when x is equal to 0. So basically, f of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10. So they're asking you to find the root, right? So you just do this. 0 is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 10. And if you guys know something about factoring or solving quadratics, you guys could do this question. So you'll get x minus 5 times x minus 2 is equal to 0, giving you x is equal to 5 or 2. So that's how you're going to do it. And these are terms that you guys might need to know for the SAT or just school in general when you're reaching algebra or algebra 2. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next function video.